What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. If you are coming to my channel for the very first time, my name is Rega, and what I do on this channel is to document my forex journey. But this video is going to be different. I am bringing value to you guys, something I discovered about backtesting, and I decided to bring it to your notice so that you can also use it to backtest your strategy and cook in the forex market. Yes, this video is not sponsored, but this software is coming from no other company but GFT, the gold funded trader. If you are using gold funded trader, there is a backtesting software that you can use to backtest your trading strategy. In fact, I am thinking backtesting companies or backtesting software, the one we pay for, they are going to go bankrupt because cooperative firms are doing amazing job. They are making sure that traders get better values, and this backtesting software is one of them. For we traders to backtest our trading strategy absolutely free of charge, and this is a no-brainer, and I decided to bring it to your notice. So guys, we are going to go ahead and create a new backtesting section on this backtesting software. So see you in the screen. So guys, this is my laptop screen. So this is a typical gold funded trader website. I'm using the website version for this. So if you look at the left side, you are going to see the menu. So under the menu, you are going to see a section for backtesting, which is new. This is new. So not everybody knows about this. So I'm bringing it for you to also know about this trading software and make use of it. So I've already backtested a section before, but this video is just me showing you how to go about it. They have tutorial too that you can watch and use it as a guide, but I'm going to do this for you guys, for my community, for you guys that subscribe to my channel and support me day in, week out. I love you guys. So what you're going to do is, if you look at the top right corner, you're going to see some information. Some of those information are highlighted in yellow. We are going to go ahead and click the new section. So we click new section. We are going to get a drop down menu. Under the drop down menu, you are going to see account balance. You are going to see pairs, start date, end date, strategy, name, and description. The last three, they are optional. You can decide on to fill them. They don't actually affect the trading, the backtesting experience. But we are going to go ahead and fill some of this information. Okay, let's go. So we are going to leave the account balance as it is, but the pairs we are going to select only one pair. You can select 5. Yes, you can see, you can select 5. So we are going to do USD JPY. You click it. So when you click it, don't click create. If you click create, it's going to just create it without you filling the other information. So what we want to do is click away, then click away from that the drop down menu. So you see where my cursor is, I'm going to click there, then it's going to just go out and I will select other information. So you can see, then let's select start date. For that start date, if you look closely, you are going to see a calendar icon. Click it. Then you are going to see August 2026. Beside the 2026, you are going to see a drop down arrow. Click the drop down arrow. When you click it, the years are going to drop down. So you use the scroll wheel to scroll and select a year you want to backtest. So let's do 2023. Okay. I select 2023. Which month? You can select any month, but we are going to go with January. In January, we're going to select the first trading week, which started on the 2nd, which was Monday. So we're going to click it. Then we'll click away. Then the start date has been set. So we're going to go ahead and click on end date. We're going to do a 1-year interval of data. So we're going to backtest for 1 year. The same thing, click the drop down arrow again. Then we are going to select 2024, which is approximately 1 year. 2024 January. So we're going to select the first Monday, which is 1st January. You click it, then click away. Set. The strategy is very optional. You can decide to choose a strategy. Let's see what we have there. No strategy yet. There's no strategy. So I think when they do update, we are going to have more information on this software. So click away, then name optional. So you can just name it backtest. Then the description is also optional. I'm going to leave it like that. So what I'm going to do next is just to go ahead and click create, and it's going to go ahead and launch the software for us. So you have seen we have a new section with the name backtest. So if you look at the section above it, you are going to see continue. We are going to go ahead and click continue. It's going to load the pair that we have selected and other parameters. Okay, it has loaded. So guys, quick one. This trading this backtesting software is powered by TradingView. So you can go ahead and customize your canvas the way you usually do on your TradingView account. But for this, we are going to leave it this way. So let's familiarize ourselves with the information we have here. So if you look at the top, you are going to see the name of the backtest. Then you are going to see play and nest. Then we have the speed, which when you click it is going to double. So beside it, we are going to see a hamburger. Will I say is a hamburger icon, or you have dots. If you go close to the dot with your cursor, you are going to see a hand icon. That means you can move it and place it anywhere you want. So we're going to go ahead and drag it and just put it here. I think it's okay here. Okay, it's okay here. So when you look at the top right corner, you are going to see some information. The first one we have there is starting balance. The second one we have there is the current balance. We have the win rate. We have the total trades taken. Then we have the realized P&L, and we have the unrealized P&L. Beside it, you are going to see what your statistics. It gives you analytics of your information, of your backtesting information after you are done backtesting. And we have other information. They are not really necessary. Then when you use a scroll wheel to scroll down, you are going to have your orders down here, but no orders yet. So we are going to go ahead and just play price to see a range that we can also take a trade from. So let's go. So what I want to do is go ahead and click the speed. I want to double it to make it 2x speed. So we have 2x speed. So I'm going to play the price. Playing, it is playing, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay, let's wait for a good range. This is just random. I'm not trying to backtest my strategy the way I would usually do. What I just want to do is to show you what you can do if you want to use this backtesting software. Okay, we have a range. Okay, I have a range. So let me show you how to set pending orders and how to set orders in general. I've already used the software before, so some of this information I have set them already, but they are not difficult at all. It's what you usually do in your TradingView, the same thing. So if you know my strategy and if you have been in my channel, you know what I do. I usually use ranges and the OTE, which is the Fibonacci retracement levels. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my Fibonacci and place it on the chart. Let's go. I have the Fibonacci from bottom to top. So click, drag, just like that. Then I already know where the range or the level I want to take the trade from. So what I want to do is go ahead and pick my position 2. So because we are looking for long opportunity, we are going to go ahead and select the long position. You can also favorite this icon. So you can favorite it. You can see it has appeared over there. But let's go ahead and use our long position. Now, when you click the long position and you place it on the chart, you are going to get a pop-up. It says, use this drawing. You draw a position on the chart, use it as a pending order or leave it as an annotation. So we don't want to use it as annotation. We want to automate our process. So what we are going to do is anytime we put a position icon or position 2 on the chart, we want to use it as what? As an order, or use it as pending order. So whenever you put a position 2 on the chart, don't choose use as annotation unless you want to use it as annotation. That is up to you. But if you want to use it as pending order so that you don't need to put your stop loss, entry level and the rest, use it as pending order. So I'm going to go ahead and choose pending order. Use as pending order. Click that. Now after you click it, you are going to, if you look at the right hand side, you are going to see information, which is new order. So before you do anything on the new order pane, what you need to do is to make sure you centralize and align your position and 2. So what I'll do is just drag the position 2 to where it would normally be, then drag the stop loss and place it appropriately, drag the take profit and place it appropriately. What it does is it takes the information and puts the information in the position in the order pane, so that you just automatically click the information and you just take a position. So I've set it the way I want it to be. So what I want to go and do now is to go and configure the order the way I want it. So we'll go to the order and we are going to choose 1%. We are going to risk 1% of our initial balance. You can use initial balance or current balance in case when you have already taken a trade, you can decide to alternate between them. But I'm going to do 1% of initial balance. I'm going to click that. So after that, you can see that my place order is now yellow, which means it is active. I can go ahead and click place order. Then let's place the order. Order is placed. You can see the information appeared on the screen and the order pane disappeared. Now our order is active. What we want to do is to go ahead and play price. I want to leave it. It has invalidated the distance, but I want to leave it for the order to get activated. I don't know if it's going to get activated, but if it doesn't, we are going to set another one. Okay, it might get activated. I just want to show you how it works. Please get activated. Let's wait for it a little bit. It is taking eternity. It might not get activated, I don't know. Or it might. It's coming down to the level. Okay, very close. Now we are in. Immediately we hit stop loss. And we lost about $80 on this one. So guys, this is basically how you do it. So but let's take another trade. Let's look for another range to take another trade. Just let's make it two examples, then we are good to go. So let's go ahead and look for another range. This thing is taking forever. Okay. Welcome back. I'm going to use this as another example. So let's take our Fibonacci, put it like this, then take our position 2. Okay, this is a sell position, so we are going to use a short position 2. Then we are going to click it, then we are going to place it there, use as pending order. Yes, that is true. Then set it appropriately, then drag it to the corresponding price levels that we want it to be, and that is how we do it. It is simple, easy peasy. So we'll go ahead and configure our order pin. So usually we use 1%, and we're going to select 1% for this position. So click 1%. The place order is active. So what we'll do next is just go ahead and click the place order, just like so, and the order is active on the chart. So next thing is to play price to see what price will do. Let's go. Activated. We are running in profit. Okay, let's go get it. Back into loss. I told you guys this thing is amazing. It's amazing. You don't need any other thing. This is all you need to backtest your trading strategy. I'm not gonna lie to you. You don't need to pay again. You don't need to pay again. Okay, so we hit stop loss on this one. So what we'll do next is just go ahead and look at our statistics. Starting balance, current balance, we lost about $200. Win rate, new. We took 2 trades and we lost all of them. So let's click on the stats to see the analytics. So this is the analytics, looking pretty bad and rough. So this is basically the end of this backtesting session. I hope this was very clear, and if you use it appropriately, it's going to actually elevate your trading strength, and you don't need to pay for backtesting tools again. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was very insightful. If you love it, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing value whenever I see any, and comment below. Thank you.